And welcome back to the Transparency House World Expo Dubai edition. We are standing here on the Netherlands pavilion with Johan Verlinde from the city of Rotterdam. And Johan, you're a climate adaptation manager, right?
Yes, that's true, for the city of Rotterdam.
Nice to have you here. Great that you're here. And I have a question to you. What is the city of Rotterdam bringing to Dubai?
I think a main thing for us is be transparent, so like the Transparency House. Share the things that are going on in your city. So from a climate perspective, what things are going to happen from heat, from rainfall, from flooding, and what you can do as a city to prepare for such events. So we as a city can do some things in the public space, but we have to do it together with citizens, with the private sector. And if you are transparent with your data, it also helps in motivating those people into taking action. So that's, I think, the key. And plan ahead. Know what you are going to do in 5, 10 years from now on. Because then you can link all those solutions together and make a big impact in the city.
Yeah, it's amazing actually, because you have a lot of knowledge to bring here as well as a total solution or something. Eh?
Yeah, and I think we all can also learn from a location like this, because we as the Netherlands are good in water and flooding, but heat, like here at the moment, that's something we can learn from cities like Dubai, because also Rotterdam and the Netherlands is heating up. So we have to prepare our city also for such events.
Yeah, definitely. And how is it to work as a climate adaptation manager to the city of Rotterdam? Because I think it's a very responsible job, right?
Yes, it's a very responsible job, but it's also a fun job and a great job, because for Rotterdam, it's necessary to be prepared for severe weather events because we live next to the water, below sea level. It's also very nice to make the city more attractive by adding more green and doing it together with the citizens, make the streets more beautiful. So it's both a responsible job, but also a very fun job.
Yeah, and how do you engage the citizens? Because that is the hard part, I guess.
Yes, and especially talking about climate. Climate is such a big thing. So if you knock on the door at a Rotterdam and say, "Can you help us fighting climate change?" I think that's not the story. So we also try to make it fun and make it small. So maybe more about greening the streets. And one thing we did is also make it competitive. So we started a competition between Amsterdam and Rotterdam, the tile popping competition, national championship. Which city removes the most tiles out of the city, the citizens of course. And Rotterdam won the first competition. So let's also make it fun.
Yeah, it's nice. And also in Rotterdam, I think you also collaborate as a municipality with the woningstichtingen.
Yeah, social housing corporations.
The social housing
yes.
corporations and everything. How is that going? Because I do remember from Rotterdam that you have like Op Zomeren, and that's that you are going to clean up each other's garden and stuff.
Yes, but we also with the social housing corporation, with half of the homes in Rotterdam, 140,000 homes are owned by social housing corporations, and those have those big buildings with a lot of flat roofs, and those are usually black roofs, asphalt, and we transform them together with the social housing corporation into green roofs, even accessible roofs, and where you can recreate and relax. So it's a good cooperation with those parties too.
Yeah, that's nice. And do you have some example from Rotterdam that you can take to Dubai and scale it as well?
Yeah, I think the concept of working together with the citizens, don't think about big projects before consulting your citizens. They know what's going on in the street, they know what's going on in the neighborhood, so work together. So not a technical solution, but more about how you engage your citizens. I think that always works.
So Rotterdam is going to help Dubai engaging with the citizens?
International cooperation is very important. We would like to show to other cities what's going on in Rotterdam, and we like to learn also from Dubai, definitely.
Great. Well, it's amazing that you are here. Thank you for having you. We have great insight of what you're doing and, what's going on here. You are also meeting the mayor, Abu Taleb, in a few minutes, right?
Yes.
What's he going to do here?
Well, he's here. He's already here for a week, meeting other Emirates, and also for him, it's important to cooperate. We have to work together. It happens in cities, so cooperation is key, and that's also why he's here as a champion for the Dutch Pavilion and the World Expo. So,
Amazing. Well, have a great time as long as you're here. Thank you so much for being here, and see you next time then.
thank you very much. Bye.